I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing a high-quality stereo file into your DAW. Lower-quality MP3s reduce separation fidelity. Once imported, duplicate the stereo track and split it into separate left and right mono tracks. This exposes center-panned vocals. Now invert the phase on the right channel. Why? Because vocals are usually centered and cancel when opposite phases combine. Make sure to solo and monitor while doing this so you can hear cancellation immediately and confirm the vocal energy drops. Once the basic phase cancellation is working, tighten the result with spectral and mid-side tools. First, apply a surgical EQ. Attenuate 300 Hz 5 kHz regions where vocal harmonics sit, but do it gently to preserve instruments. Next, open a spectral editor to paint out remaining vocal formants or use a center channel extractor plugin to remove centered material more precisely. Finally, use a transient shaper or expander on the mid-channel to reduce lingering vocal breaths. This reduces artifacts. You finish by rebalancing the stereo image and compensating for any tonal changes. Add subtle stereo widening and a light reverb to glue instruments back together. Once satisfied, export a lossless WAV or FLAC and archive the stems so you can revisit the mix. If vocals still intrude, try an AI source separation model for a cleaner isolation and merge results with your phase method. Troubleshooting tip: if artifacts appear, reduce aggressive EQ cuts and alternate between spectral edits and machine learning separations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.